Welcome to the Mekong Delta, a hidden gem of Vietnam that promises an unforgettable journey of discovery. Get ready to explore the authentic and non-touristy destinations of the Delta on a walking tour that will immerse you in the local culture and traditions. Your journey will begin with a serene ferry boat or sampan boat ride to the picturesque island of Kirin. From there, you will venture into the heart of Thoi Binh village, where you will experience the historical and cultural hub at the communal temple. The walking tour will take you through tropical fruit orchards, bonsai gardens, fish ponds, poultry farms, and snail farms at Mr. Hai's property. You will also learn about multifunctional tools for agriculture at Mr. Tam's property while sipping on warm honey tea. Discover the wildlife of the region at the tropical snake farm and witness the traditional rice winemaking process at the Purest Rice Wine Distillery Workshop. You'll also visit Mr. Ut's hidden farm, where you'll find bonsai gardens, fish ponds, tree temple, and Lin Quang Pagoda. As you continue your journey, you'll embark on a leisurely boat trip to one of the most scenic floating communities. Rafting or kayaking through a 7 km long small channel lined with water coconut farms is an adventure that you won't forget. But it's not just about the sights and sounds. This tour is also an opportunity to meet the locals and learn about their culture and lifestyles at the floating village Tan Mai. After a day filled with adventure, you'll have time to relax at Island Lodge Resort with a cup of coffee or tea. Book your tour with us now and let our knowledgeable English-speaking tour guide take you on a journey of a lifetime. The tour includes transportation, ferry boat or sampan boat ride, entrance fees, lunch, water and snacks, rafting or kayaking equipment, and hotel pickup and drop-off. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to explore the Mekong Delta and discover its rich culture and traditions. Join us for a walking tour that will leave you with unforgettable memories.